Alright, this is it. This is the potato cannon. First you got a ball joint valve, which is kind of handy because you can cut it off really easy. So you have to screw on a cap. Ignition. And you got the ramrod, barrel, all that, right? So here's how you do it. Get your load, start it out. I got some shop towels wrapped in duct tape right now. Go down to the black line. Put this in here. Don't try this at home, kids. Some hairspray. Here we go. That should do it. So as you can see, it's just pretty hard. But this is how fast you can load it. This is pretty cool. That was a little bit of I didn't get much hairspray in there, but there it is. So there's my homemade potato cannon. If you want some plans or something like that, ask me. And this is for you, Tim.